Chapter 4. Working with Layers in Flash. Learning Objectives. Introduction. Recalling Flash Window. Layers. Locking or unlocking. Hide or show all layers and layer folders. Masking in Flash. Introduction. You have already learned in your previous class that Flash CS6 is a very popular software which is used for creating, editing, and animating graphic objects. It can also be used to create animated movies. In this chapter, you will learn about layers, recalling the Flash window. To open the Flash, click the Start, All Program, Adobe Flash Professional CS6. The first screen appears. Select the ActionScript 3.0. You will see the following main window of Flash with its file and some other components as given. Layers. Layers are like sheets of transparent paper that can be stacked on top of the others, each holding a set of page elements. Layers help us to organize our work in the Flash. By using layers, you can keep the multiple objects separate and can easily modify an object without affecting the others. The timeline contains the layer names in the left side of the screen. When you draw or edit objects in the Flash, layers are added in the Layers panel. We can also lock, hide, and rearrange the layers. Let us perform operations on layers, selecting or activating a layer. To modify a layer, you must first select it to make it active. Click the layer available in the Layers panel to make it active. You will see a pencil icon next to the layer name in the timeline. The pencil icon indicates that the layer is active. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, follow the given steps. 1. Double-click the layer which is to be renamed. 2. Layer name will be opened in the edit mode. Simply type the new name of the layer. 3. After typing the name, press Enter key. Adding a new layer. To add a new layer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert menu. Step 2. Select the Timeline option and click the Layer option. The new layer will be added in the Layer panel as shown below. Creating a layer folder. We can also create layer folders. The layer folders are used to place layers in them to easily organize and manage work. These layer folders can be expanded or collapsed without affecting the work on the stage. You can insert a layer folder using any one of the following methods. Method 1. Select a layer in the timeline and click Insert, Timeline, Layer Folder. Method 2. Right-click on the layer name and select Insert Folder from the pop-up menu. The new folder appears above the layer you selected. Changing order of layers. To change the order of layers or layer folders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the layer which is to be moved and drag it either at the top or bottom of the another layer or layer folder in the Layers panel. Step 2. When you will drag it, a black line appears on the screen. Release the mouse button when reach the desired position. Moving a layer in layer folder. You can move layer in layer folder by dragging and dropping it in the layer folder. The layer will be moved. To view the layer, expand the layer folder by clicking the triangle button which is available to the left of the folder name. If you want to collapse a folder, again click the triangle button. Deleting a layer. To delete a layer, follow one of the following methods. Method 1. Select the layer and click the Delete Layer button in the timeline. Method 2. Right-click on the layer and choose Delete Layer option from the pop-up menu. Locking or unlocking all layers and layer folders. It is good to lock layers and layer folders if you are not working on them to save them from any unnecessary changes. To lock all layers and layer folders, simply click the Lock or Unlock All Layers icon on the top right corner of the Layers panel. All layers and layer folders will be locked and a lock will appear on each layer. The lock icon indicates that a layer has been locked. The contents of the locked layer and layer folders will disappear from the stage. To unlock layers or layer folders, again click the lock or unlock all layers icon. The contents will appear again on the stage after unlocking. Hide or show all layers and layer folders. To hide all layers and layer folders, simply click the eye icon on the top corner of the layers panel. All the layers and layer folders will get hidden and a cross will appear on each. The cross icon indicates that a layer has been hidden. To show all the layers, again click the eye icon. If you want to hide a layer individually, bring the cursor on the layer which you want to hide and click the dot available below the eye icon column. The layer will hide. To view the hidden layer, again click on the same dot. Changing layer's outline color. To change a layer's outline color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the layer. Step 2. Click Modify, Timeline, Layers Properties. Step 3. The Layer Properties dialog box opens. Choose the outline color from the box. Step 4. Now you can change the name of the layer and its other properties also. Step 5. Click OK after making the desired changes. Masking in Flash. Mask layers are the layers that contains the objects which are used as masks to hide the selected portions of layers below them. We use mask layers to create transitions. A masked object can be a field shape, text, symbol, or a movie clip. To create a mask, you must specify a layer as a mask layer. To create a mask layer, follow the given step. 1. Select a layer and right-click on it. Choose Mask option from the pop-up menu. The mask icon appears before the layer name. The mask icon indicates that the layer is a mask layer. Note, a mask layer always masks the layer S immediately below it. Keywords /CS6. It is used for creating, editing, and animating graphic objects. Layers. Sheet of transparent paper that can be stacked on the top of the other. Mask layer. The layers that contains the objects which are used as masks to hide selected portion of layers below them. Chapter 4. Working with layers in Flash. Learning objectives. Introduction. Recalling Flash window. Layers. Locking or unlocking. Hide or show all layers and layer folders. Masking in Flash. Introduction. You have already learned in your previous class that Flash CS6 is a very popular software which is used for creating, editing,